In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a new partition on your disk. In other words, I'm going to show you how to create a new drive. So in order to do that, first we'll check our drives in this PC. Just open your file explorer and open your PC right here. As you can see, I have two drives right now, the drive C by default, and then I've created a new drive D. So I'm just going to split this drive and create a new one from this D drive. So let's see how you can do it. First, you'll need to open your run command by pressing Windows plus R, or you can right click on this Windows option and then simply click on run right here. After you've opened this run dialog box, you need to search for this disk mgmt.msc and just hit OK. Or you can open it by just simply searching for disk management, and this one right here that says create and format hard disk partitions. You're just gonna open it, so I don't need to open, so I'm just gonna close one. And here you can see both of my drives right here, and the one that we're gonna split is the D drive. So here the capacity is 125 GB and there is 71 GB of free space. So to split this, you're just gonna right click on the D drive and then click on shrink volume. And here you are gonna have to enter your space, how much you want to shrink. So for example, if I want to separate 5 gigs of storage, I just type in 5000 MB right here, and this will separate 5000 MB from the D drive, and just click on shrink. As you can see, a new drive has now been created and that is unallocated. So to give this a name, you just right click. You can see right here as well, the black one, that the black label is the unallocated one and the primary partitions are the blue one. So just right click on this one and then click on new simple volume. The new simple volume wizard pops up, so click on next and make sure you have entered the right amount of space in MB and click on next. You can give it a new name. I'm just gonna follow the alphabetical orders. So after D, I'm just gonna name it as E drive, and just click on next. And make sure your file system is on this new technology of file system NTFS, and everything here is by default, and let the volume label be as it is. Just click on next and click on finish. Now as you can see, our new drive has been created, and it's not exactly 5 gigs but close to 5 gigs because some of it goes to the healthy recovery partitions. So a new drive has been created. So to check, we are going to go to our PC, and then as you can see, the new drive now has been created. And that's how you can easily partition your drive or create a new drive on Windows. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.